So I think I'm the only person standing between you and the award ceremony. So I promise I'm not going to talk more than about 3 or 4 hours. And of course, I am kidding. We'll get this through pretty quick. And I don't know if anybody heard earlier sessions that I was in, but it really, as we try to work through this, I really appreciate everybody's cooperation in doing this virtually. This is something new for, I think, most of us, and I think all the indications I've gotten so far is it's going pretty well. And also appreciate a lot of cooperation by a lot of our teammates here in the Army, ASALT, 75th Innovation Command, Army Contracting Command, and Combat Capabilities Development Command, better known as CCDC, to really put this together and pull this off. And I really, really appreciate our competitors or the folks that have offered up innovative thoughts and ideas that we've seen here over the last really great period of time, but most recently the last couple of days. And I know everybody's looking forward to the top 2 and the other 6. I didn't say the last 6 because everything I've seen shows me that our desire to reach out to you and find innovation and really find some phenomenal ideas and technologies that can really help not only the Army but the country move forward. We narrowed down to 8, but there's probably 800 out there. And so, I mean, I'm really thrilled with how this turned out and really looking forward to future events of this type. And it's about benefits to you, and it's about benefits to the Army, and it's about benefits to this nation, and it's really about moving this idea of getting the Army into the 21st century in terms of the way we look at capability development and how we solve problems. That's what Army Futures Command was stood up to do. This is just a small example of it. I know we've got work that we still can do, but I think all the time about where we were 2 years ago and where we are today and the progress we've made. And I hope you've seen some of that in your participation in this challenge. So I'll just end this by saying thanks again to all of the Army teammates that made this happen. And thanks to all of our competitors, entrepreneurs, innovators, small businesses that really brought some phenomenal ideas, thoughts, and technologies to us that we just would not have seen if we hadn't reached out and done things differently than we were normally comfortable with. So once again, I hope to see a lot more of this in the future. Congratulations, each and every one of you. And I think I'm turning it over to General George.